If you contact our firm and it's the type of case that we feel like we can help you with, we will schedule you with a free consultation with a lawyer. And you can choose whether you want that consultation to be on the phone, by Zoom, or come into our office since we live here. So come see us if you want to come see us. We love to see clients. But what you should do to prepare is you should basically make notes and a precise chronology of exactly what happened and who said what if it's at the scene of an accident, and be prepared to talk to us about all of the injuries you suffered, the medical care that you received, and about the type of property damage that you've also incurred. But what will happen at that consult is the lawyer that meets with you or that speaks with you is going to evaluate three components of your case. They're going to evaluate what we call the liability component and determine, okay, who's at fault for this? They're going to evaluate the damages component based on what we know at that point in time, which means, okay, how bad are your injuries? Are you likely to be off of work? These types of things, so that we can start to get at least a very, very rough idea of what your damages are going to be in the case. And then we do our best also to evaluate whether or not the person that hurt you is able to pay for your claims, whether they have insurance or whether they have other assets from which they can pay your claims. And then if we decide that it's a case that we can help you with, and we try to help as many people as we possibly can, then we'll agree to accept your case. The way that we work here at Venardi Zurada is the consultation is absolutely free. And in fact, our representation of you costs you absolutely nothing unless or until we get a recovery in your case. Only then do we get paid. In the meantime, of course, it costs money to proceed with your case and to prepare your case properly to make sure that you get full and fair compensation. Venardi Zurada advances all of the expenses in the case so that you don't pay anything at that time. When there's a recovery in your case, then the attorney's fees come out, which are typically 1/3. Unless the case goes to trial, then it's 40%. And then after that, the expenses come out, and then your medical liens come out, and then you get the rest. And in a personal injury case, the money that you get is tax-free.